Many of you ask if Lightroom can directly add a person to a photo, and the short answer is no. Not like Photoshop can. Lightroom is your go-to for color correction and exposure. But for intricate photo manipulation, you need a different tool. But that doesn't mean Lightroom isn't crucial for preparing your images. Think of it as your digital darkroom for setting the stage. Let's start by bringing both the main photo and the photo of the person you want to add into Lightroom. First, for your main background photo, ensure the lighting and colors are exactly how you want them. Use the basic panel to adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. The goal here is to get a clean, well-exposed base for combining later. Next, we'll work on the photo of the person you're adding. It's vital that their lighting and color temperature match the background image as closely as possible. Often, you'll need to adjust white balance to warm or cool the tones, and perhaps a bit of color grading to blend the hues. While you can't cut out the person here, you can use the crop tool to remove any unnecessary parts of their original background, making it easier for the next step. In a program like Photoshop, the cleaner the subject, the better the final result will be. Once both images are perfectly polished in Lightroom, select both of them in the library module, then right-click and choose Added in, followed by Adobe Photoshop. This will open both images as separate layers in Photoshop, ready for the real magic to happen. From here, Photoshop's powerful selection and masking tools will allow you to precisely cut out the person and blend them seamlessly into your main photo. Though Lightroom starts the process, Photoshop finishes beautifully. So, while Lightroom doesn't directly add people, it's an indispensable first step in preparing your images for a professional composite. Master your edits here, and the rest becomes much smoother.